Today I'm going to be doing a tie-dye shirt and a tie-dye hat. So what I'm going to use is gloves, I have a shirt, hat, rubber bands, and the tie-dye that I'm going to use. Okay, so first I'm going to make my sections with the rubber bands. I really don't have no real method to this. You really can't go wrong with tie-dye. So any way that you want to bunch your shirt, which they give you, they have plenty of tutorials on how to do different ones. So you can go look those up before you decide to tie-dye. But I just want to do simple. Okay, now that I have my t-shirt all bundled and looking crazy, I'm gonna start my hat. So I'm gonna take this little thing out, but I'm gonna put it to the side because I plan on putting words on it. So let's get to bunching this up. Okay, after I have this done, I'm gonna fill my bottles of tie-dye. I can't remember where I bought them from, but you can get it from basically any Target, Walmart, Michaels, Hobby Lobby, anything like that, honestly. I just have a pair of regular gloves that I'm using. I'm gonna get a plastic bag to put over my table for when I'm about to do the dye. Okay, you guys, all I'm doing is cutting up some grocery bags because I have a million of those. Instead of wasting the whole trash bag, I'm gonna just cut up the grocery bag. I ended up doing a different size white shirt as well because just in case somebody asks me for it, I will already have it on hand. I'm doing a small shirt for myself and a medium shirt for anybody that wants it. I have all my tie-dye things shaken up. And this is unfortunately a very long process. So this is day one of the tie-dye process. So I'm gonna do this shirt. This is the medium shirt. So I'm gonna do this shirt. I guess I'm gonna do them all different types of colors. You wanna start with one section, and I think I'm gonna start with one section and then make my way on down. And I don't even remember where I got this from. So I wish I could tell you the brand that this is, because the colors are coming out. Well, this yellow is coming out very vibrant, which is really nice. Okay. This red is next. Very deep colors. And I'm not really worried about getting it mixed in with the yellow because it's tie-dye, so. The last thing you should be worried about is making mistakes, because you can't make a mistake with tie-dye. Which I got some red already in a different place of this shirt. So, I'm gonna check within the folds. Get it deep in there. Squeeze it as I go to transfer all that goodness in there. I'm also going to do a tutorial on tie-dyeing with Kool-Aid. Just in case you don't have the money to buy an actual tie-dye kit, Kool-Aid is definitely a thing. Okay. I'm gonna add the yellow again. Like I said before, I'm not really worried about that. Squeeze everything together. Use a little bit of red since I've run out of the yellow. Okay, so we're just gonna bunch this all together. I'm gonna tie it all, band it together. So there's the band. So I'm gonna work on that hat next, which I got some stuff down there, but I'm not worried about it. So let's start out with this blue color. Thinking the hat is gonna be way harder than the shirt. So we're gonna have to be very careful doing that. It's a different texture. I'm gonna do this blue. Make sure I leave a little white. Okay, that is our hat. Now we're gonna go on to the last shirt. The last shirt is my shirt, so I'm really comfortable with doing it better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just roll my shirt in what's down there. and use whatever I have left to tie-dye my shirt. Does anything else need anything? Everything looks pretty good. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and just, well, might as well use the rest of this. So just pour that down in there. And I'm just gonna band this all together. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna put these in quart-sized bags and yeah, and let them sit for the next, well, I'm gonna let them sit until I wake up in the morning, honestly. Okay, you guys, it is day 2 and we are back to put words or whatever you want to put on your shirt. So I got my weeding materials, my cutter, my stencils, which I've already cut. I have this because it's going to be my mat for when I'm ironing. It's just a cardboard box, so protect my carpet and the shirt. My easy press, which I already have set and heated. I have the tie-dye hat that I have the hat. I have my sister's shirt. She is getting Stranger Things on it. She wanted a Stranger Things shirt. We both love that show. And I have my shirt that I'm just putting a little funny quote or a funny saying on. So let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna get my normal weeder. Here is the hat. So I'll be right back with the end result. Okay, you guys, this is the final product for our hat. Here is our Stranger Things t-shirt. everything came out pretty nice. And here is our funny shirt. Well, it's really not funny, it's really true. Okay, so make sure you guys like, subscribe,